make this one oval line like this. And देखो हाँ, like this. Okay, this is the neck. Okay, this is neck character. So the basic shape is like this. Oh. Now this eyes line. Okay, it is a nose line. Okay, eyes line as nose line. Okay, so here I just want to make sure while we're putting this nose, I just make it the nose over here. Okay, here is a nose over here, the basic shape nose, and the mouth over here. Yes. No. Okay. Yeah, take time. The basic shapes is done. Don't touch. Done. Okay. Next tips I just make it a dark. I'm using watercolor a little bit of this. Okay. So I can create here. His eyes, eyebrow, nose, and the mouth. Okay. This is the monsters. अच्छा. Okay, this is the characters which I want to show you, and I'm using some watercolors, little bit of black. Okay, so you arrange the color. arrange water. Just a second. So I just take it. I do it like this. Light color. Okay, like this. Okay, I just one sides make one color. Okay, just basic color, and I just make it here also. What? What? Which? Okay. Tulu. Tulu. Where you get the tulu? Where am I? I'm not gonna use the brush. I'm gonna use this brush. This is brown sign? No. Ano yung Baba? Little reddish brown sign for the dark tone. Somewhere I want to make the dark tone. I want to put the dark tone. Okay. Some areas, supposed to this areas I want to make dark tone. Okay. This area I want to make dark tone. Few areas I wished dark tone. Okay, this area I need to dark tone. Okay, I post like this dark tone. We are making the second tone over here. Bacha. Chota bacha. This is the Prussian blue. Any blue you can use. It's not mandatory. You can use the Prussian or French ultramarine. Okay, you can use this any blue.